Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to find Audible promo codes in 2025. So as you can see that currently I'm on audible.com, which is official website for Audible. So over here you will see that you can try audiobooks for free. It is for 30 days. So I will also try to put the link of it down in the description so that you could avail this offer. Now once your trial period is off, you can get the Audible premium for $0.99 per month for the first 3 months, which is also a great deal for you. It is just almost free that you can get for 3 months. So if you want to grab this deal, you can just click on the link in the description and click on this banner. After that, you can click on get this deal and provide your payment details. Now once your payment is done, you will be able to avail this offer and you can get it for almost free for 3 months. In my opinion, this is one of the best offers that Amazon is giving you. So if you are interested in it, you can check out the description for it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.